welcome to my YouTube channel, Official Joe TV. On today's episode, I'll be discussing on the illegalities of using police to recover unpaid debt. To the subject matter, police and debt recovery. It is a common practice between Nigerians to use law enforcement agencies or police to recover unpaid debt. But now let us imagine someone owes you money, he owes you a certain amount of money, and he has refused to pay back. Of course, you are infuriated and you decided to inform the police to arrest him and recover this money on your behalf. The question of the day is this act of yours justifiable? And let's not forget that the Nigerian police force does not establish itself. It is a creation of the law. The effect of this is that the law spells out its forms, its functions and powers. Now, the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended and the Police Act serve as the laws which regulate the affairs of every policeman in Nigeria. Section 35 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which provides for the circumstances in which a person can be arrested or be detained, does not recognize civil wrong as a ground for arrest or detention, except on the order of the court. This has also been substantiated by the provision of the Section 8 subsection 2 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015. Section 4 of the Police Act states that the primary duty of the police is the prevention of crime, investigation and detection of crime, and the prosecution of offenders. With this background, the police has been restricted to dabble into any civil matter or act as an agent to recover debt. Owing to someone a debt is a civil matter and cannot, within any stretch of imagination, be regarded as a criminal matter. Furthermore, the court has in fact persistently frowned upon the resort of persons to the use of police and other law enforcement agencies in order to recover a debt or enforce a contract. In the popular case of Oceanic Securities Limited versus Balogun and others, the court opined that it has been stated many times that the police has no business in the enforcement of a debt, a debt settlement, or recovering of civil debt for the banks or any other body. This decision was also affirmed in the popular case of the Supreme Court, which goes by the name Kure versus Commissioner of Police. At this juncture, it is pertinent to note that when a person engages police officers in civil matters, both the police officers involved and the person that invited the police officers can be sued for breach of fundamental human rights. This ultra-virus act is not without its consequences, of course, as the court often charges the defendant jointly and severally to pay damages to the plaintiff whose right has been breached. There are mechanisms in the law which could hasten an action for recovery of debt. The proper procedure to adopt in debt recovery in Nigeria is to first write a letter of demand requesting that the debt be repaid within a specified time. If at the expiration of such specified time, the debtor fails to repay the money, then it might be necessary at this point to consult your lawyer for necessary actions. Then you should note that the only institution that can entertain a debt recovery matter in Nigeria is the court of law. At this point, I want to believe that we now know the legal way to recover a debt in Nigeria, which is different from the normal police recovery way. As you know that now if you use the police and the debtor countersues, you might end up being the one paying damages, and as a debtor try and pay up your debt so as to avoid embarrassment. This is Official Joe TV. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Like and subscribe.